Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this garage over here in Substance Painter. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll go into this. Let's go on to this. I can go over here into the brushes, and if I want to paint anything, I can just paint on this over here. So first let's open this, let it open. Alright, you have some dirt brushes as well. I can take a paint layer and I can use this dirt brushes, or even I can take a fill layer over here. It's taking a long time. So I can use this brush over here. It's better if I go and take a paint layer. I can go into this and I can take a color over here and I can just uh, paint it wherever it is required. I also have this dirt over here. I can just paint this. So wherever it is required, I can do that. Apart from that, I can on and off the layers wherever you have painted it. I can again take a new paint layer over here, and we do have some more brushes, some splatter brushes. We can take some colors over here. I'll pick a color. Alright, so we can paint somewhere wherever it is required. You can easily paint that. So you have different brushes. You can go into this and you can even change the blending mode if needed. Make it screen, you can make it screen. Let's make it as multiply. That can be done. So we do have the references. I can go over here and check the references. So if you want to write anything with the help of this, I can easily write anything over here. That can be done. So let's show some dirt over here. So again I'll take one more paint layer. I'll take a black mask, and if I have this dirt spots, I can just drag it on top of it. So if you want, you can invert the mask. I'll undo it. So I'll go over here. I'll take once again a concrete shader on top of it. It's getting loaded. Okay, so as you can see how it has been patched over here. You can make it more filthy over here. I'll add something over here on top of it. So I'll go into this texture set and I'll make sure I'll make it as first. I'll reduce the size of it. Let's just make it as 1024. Make it as 1024. Reduce the size. Okay. So let's go into the layer and I'll take a black mask. Now let's go into this and let's add some dirt spots right over here. Okay, it's barely visible. Okay, this looks a bit better. So let's go into this. You have the dirt amount parameter, or you can just go into this mask editor and you have the global balance that we can change it. We do have this texture properties. If needed, that can be changed. This looks better, as you can see now. So again I'll go over here, I'll select this and you can generate a color for it. Let's generate a color. So not this color. I'll undo it. I'll go into this and I'll take a color. This color looks better. Cracks. Alright. Let's again go into this and let's make it to 2048. Again, increase the size. Alright, much better. Now, let's again go over here onto the smart materials. Let's take a metal shader. Let's assign some metal shaders over here. So we do have some steel painted stuff. Let's just assign it over here on top of it. So again I'll go over here and let's take some rust coarse metal if needed. I can assign on top of it, and let's go on to the layers and let's add a black mask. I can add a generator. So instead of adding a generator, I can again go into this. I'll off this. Let's go into the dirt and I can go over here and add something like this on top of it. Yeah, that looks much better now. So let's go into this metal edge and you have a wear level. How much wear level is required, I can add that, and if this is not okay, I can just remove that and I can go with something different. No. This looks better. So grunge can be controlled. If you want to control the grunge area, that can be controlled over here. Alright. And if you want to paint something on top of it, that can also be added. Again, go into the metal and that can be added as well. Looks better. Let's go into this. This looks much better. I'll change the color now. This looks better. Now similarly I'll be using the same material over here as well. For this is looking perfect. Over here again I'll go into this texture set and I'll make it as 2048. Yes. And similarly again I'll go into the texture set, and if you want to make it look more roughness, then I can add some roughness metallic if needed. Again I can increase it to 2048. Much better. Alright. Alright. So I'll just save the file once over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. Okay. So one more stuff is left out. We'll add over here as well. So we'll add the same material over here. Let's add it. Okay. This looks much better. Alright. So once it is done, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.